Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a financial report so full of twists and turns it's practically a soap opera for shareholders. Prepare for a wild ride as we uncover what's really going on at Comstock holding companies. Did they hit a home run or strike out? Let's find out. This report is from around a year ago, dated March 21, 2025. It's an 8K filing, which is basically a quick update companies give when something important happens. This one is about their earnings for the last 3 months of 2024 and the whole year. The company decided to share information about how much money they made or didn't make. So who is Comstock Holding Companies? They're a real estate development and management company. They build and manage properties, mostly in the Washington, D.C. area. Think office buildings, apartments, and maybe even some retail spaces. The main point of this report is to share their financial results, so let's dig in to see how they did. They released a press statement about how much money they made or lost in the past year. We're going to see some numbers and what that means for the company. Before diving into the numbers, it's important to know that the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, Christopher Clemente, signed off on this report. So he has taken responsibility for what the report says. Now let's get to the juicy parts, the numbers. I know it can sound boring, but it's where we find out if the company is actually doing well or just pretending to. Since this is an 8K filing that references a press release, the actual financial tables are not included here. This means we're missing the most important part of a financial analysis, the ability to look at key figures like revenue, profit, and debt. Unfortunately, without those tables, we can't do a deep dive into Comstock's financial health. However, there are a few takeaways we can glean from this filing. Even without the detailed financials, we can still discuss the bigger picture. Comstock operates in the real estate sector. This sector can be affected by economic cycles, interest rates, and local market conditions. Rising interest rates, for example, make it more expensive to borrow money for development projects, and this can slow down growth. Local market conditions like population growth or job creation in the DC area will directly affect the demand for their properties. Without the financial statements to assess, it's difficult to give a solid opinion on Comstock's current status. But here are some ideas. One thing we can talk about is risks and opportunities. Real estate can be risky. A big risk could be not being able to finish building a project because of money problems, or if they can't get people to rent or buy the properties they develop. But there are opportunities too. If the area where they build becomes more popular, or if they are building a special type of property that everyone wants, they could do really well. Comstock's future depends a lot on how well they can manage these risks and grab the opportunities. They need to be smart about where they build, how they get their money, and how they handle problems that come up. So what's our final take? Comstock Holding Companies is in a sector with big potential but also faces significant risks, particularly related to economic conditions and project execution. Without the specifics from financial tables, we can't really measure how well they are doing. The company needs to carefully handle its projects and finances to succeed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Let us know which company you want us to decode next.